coming into Kalkrand. Seems to be it on the right there. I'm going to drop our speed a bit. I guess that's Kalkrand. Next stop Marienthal, 76 k's from here. Now 75. So I've been pondering the problem statement for this app we're doing, which is helping people keep credible financial records. And then that drifted me into why people have such a fear of finance, and Yuval Harari suggests, I read in his Sapien book, that it's because we never needed numbers. You know, we needed geology, taxonomy and other stuff as humans for the last how many 100,000 years. So our brain didn't develop into numbers that well. But I'm not sure that he's right, because, you know, people don't have a fear of baking, and everything in baking is numbers. You know, a weight of this, a temperature of that, and a time of that. Mix it, stir it for this long, blah blah, let it rest for 30 minutes, it's all numbers. Football, the results are measured in numbers, but we don't fear football, even though the results are measured in numbers. Not intimidating. So I think there's something else going on. Engineering is numbers all over the place, but it's not. It's not a. It's the point isn't numbers. Numbers are just the subject is expressed in numbers. It's all about weights and pressures and this and that and this and that. So lots of subjects are expressed in numbers, but it's, you know, it's about algebra, it's about the relationship of numbers to each other, or the relationship of things to each other, etc., etc. Geometries, angles, and this is and that's and stuff, but it's expressed in numbers. So I'm tending to think it's a bit different, it's a bit deeper. There's I'm not sure what yet though. It's a belief system, obviously, somewhere there. There's a belief that, you know, that finance is difficult, and there's a belief that, you know, maybe on the negative end, I don't want to feel like I'm an idiot, and it might expose me, because if I don't get this, it's gonna, you know, I'm gonna look stupid. So I'm not sure that it's the numbers. I think there's a deeper belief system running around. People don't fear marketing. Well, because it's visual. It's fun. You're dealing with concepts. You're thinking visually. And it's expressed in words, because you talk about your brand identity and unique value prop. All it's words. Everywhere there's words. And yes, again, when you get into numeric side of marketing. You've got to measure this, measure that. Yes, of course, then people get a bit twitchy. But it's I think there's a belief that this stuff is hard. Anyway, it'll come out. But so the point is to make finance visual. If you make it visual, you take away the intimidation of the numbers. So that's the one thing we need to do, is let's make it a visual experience and show people how simple it is. Okay, bye.